Welcome to Cannabis PowerScore, specified by the Massachusetts Cannabis Control Commission as an approved form and manner for reporting energy and water performance. PowerScore is a benchmarking service of Resource Innovation Institute, a nonprofit trusted by businesses and organizations across the industry. I'm Gretchen Schimelpfenig, RII's Technical Director. This tutorial will walk you through how to use and get the most out of PowerScore Comply and Benchmark. The Cannabis PowerScore benchmarking platform is free, not-for-profit, peer-reviewed, and confidential. PowerScore was designed in 2017 by cultivators and their construction partners who formed RII's Technical Advisory Council. Your personal and farm-identifiable information is never sold or shared with anyone without your consent. Since then, it's been used by hundreds of cultivators growing in various environments to assess their resource impacts and determine how to become more efficient. PowerScore improves outcomes for cannabis businesses by helping them optimize production and achieve high-performance operations. Aggregate data is used to inform governments, utilities, and the supply chain on how to support cultivators in achieving greater resource efficiency. If you choose to use PowerScore Comply and Benchmark and enter some additional information, you access multiple key performance indicators, KPIs, which allow you to compare your facility to your peers. Learn how you rank against your competition using production, energy, water, and waste KPIs, and learn where efficiency opportunities lie within your lighting and HVAC systems. We will soon have greenhouse gas emissions metrics, which will translate your electric grid and fuel efficiencies to carbon impacts. To access the Massachusetts PowerScore surveys and associated reports, use the following links. I will take a spin through all three of them during this tutorial, and the links are also provided in the video descriptions below.